What's up fans, do you want to get unlimited leads for free? Okay fine, this video is related with lead marketing, email marketing, and I will show you how to get unlimited leads or emails for free. I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JV2 and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, online marketing. Now in this video I will show you how to get unlimited leads or email for free. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. I am uploading videos in the daily basis. You see here, and it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, online marketing, and you will get a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel for a long run your online marketing. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Okay guys, see all these videos step by step. I will show you how I personally get unlimited leads or email for free, and I will show you every all the process step by step, so don't miss any part of this video. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. Okay guys, lead or email and email marketing is the best way to get the best result in online marketing. If you have a lot of mail, then you are the king. You can promote any products, any affiliate offers, anything you can do. You can sell your email or leads as a solo ad buyer, as a solo ad seller. You can be a solo ad seller, and every marketing process is under your hand. So if you have to lead, you have to collect leads, you have to collect emails for growing your online business, and I will show you how to get unlimited free leads and targeted leads for growing your online business and making big money. It's a not overnight process, but you have to work for it, and it's for free and targeted. You see here, it's the warrior from the number on online marketing from platform. Inside warrior from, a lot of, you see here, warrior special offers, a lot of digital information products inside here with a very little price. So you can be a seller and a buyer of warrior from. Okay, it's not the part of this my video for getting leads, but it's the um, process inside or you're from. You can be a buyer or a seller, but it's not your part. At first you have to edit your profile for processing this OS. You see here your profile, update profile, all the, look here, customize profile, and you have to edit your signature. You can edit your all the details about you, your customized profile, privacy, edit your profile picture, everything is okay. That the main part is edit signature. And if you want to get leads, then write a catchy call to action, like make money over, suppose make money over 10,000 per Okay, then add your lead generation page, then save signature. That's fine for editing your profile. So at first you have to edit your profile. Then see here the all your special offers. Go here, and it's a little bit creative task. You see here all the products inside the warrior from a lot of product, a lot of product, a lot of product, and you see here 30, 23rd, 3 comments, 49 comments, 30 on comments, 5 comments. So you have to comment inside this post, but don't use any link in the comment. Don't use any link in the comment. Don't use any link in the comment. Then your account will be banned, your comment will be flagged. You have to creatively make a comment about this post. So this post is about get solo ad traffic in minutes. Then okay, now you have to make a good comment about solo ads, and you see here a lot of comment inside here, but you have to provide a good comment about solo ad that will help the other marketers. You don't, your comment will not help the creator of this post, but a lot of people see this post, so your comment will be for them. And if you make a best comment inside here, then the people visit your profile, and here is the game. And the when the audience visit your profile, they will get your signature, and your signature make money over 10,000 per month, and they click them the link and you will get the leads. And you see here, suppose one of this guy, see the profile, you see here all the details, and you see contract info. You see here this space, it's his member space, but in your case you will see make money over 10,000, and here is a clickable link. Okay, no, here he is not a marketer. Okay, I think he made a linkable comment, so that is deleted. Okay, you see here, you can check this profile. See the contact info, this is the members link, not the marketer link. Then anyone can private message from message you, and you can communicate with them. So you will get the link here and get the best result. So you have to make a creative helpful content comment here. Don't make any promotional comment, then your comment will be deleted, even your account may be suspended. So make a creative comment. So this post is related get solo ads traffic. Then you can get your idea from Quora, then you can get your idea from YouTube. Make a good comment. At first, visit the YouTube and get the idea about solo ads, best idea about solo ads, and then make a good comment, or get the idea from Quora.com and make a good comment for the others, and you will get the huge your profile may get the huge visible, and you will get unlimited leads. So it's one of the best way. I personally use it for getting leads, and all those leads are so much targeted. Here people come for buying products, show all the buyer customers. So you will get the best leads if you follow this method. That's it. So guys, if this video help you to get leads or emails for free, then like this video. And if you don't follow this method, then you don't get any result. Yeah, after watching this video you can think it's not workable. No, you have to take action. It's workable. It's 100% workable if you follow the method in the right way. Okay, if you have any question about this method, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video for the others, and don't forget to like this video. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, and new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel for running online marketing, affiliate marketing. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. So guys, best of luck, take action and get unlimited free leads for free, and it's workable. So guys, bye, see you soon, God bless you.